All right, it's been a little while. Thought I'd update you. Green pool. That's going to get fixed this weekend. Ran out of pool chemicals. Anyways, there's the beautiful greenhouse. Operational now for, gosh, I think 10 years. Outside temp, 105. Doesn't seem that hot. Okay, let's go inside here. My high-tech door. And here we are. Yes, beautiful. Wow, we got a lot of flies in here. Not sure why, but I'm going to find out. It seems like something died in here. Anyways, there is the plants. More plants. There's the fishies. I'm going to feed them. You guys have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, and love.